for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, tow hitch, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, compass, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, tachometer, overhead console, Sirius satellite radio. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.